Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. Here we have x divided by x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 divided by x. And we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So here we move towards our first method. In the first method we need to cross multiply the terms. So here we multiply this x with this x. It will be written as x multiplied by x is equals to x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. So here we multiply this term with this and this term with this. Okay, so further in the next step we have, you see here x multiplied by x becomes x square, and here we have this is x plus 1 times of x minus 1. So in the right hand side we need to use this nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So in the right hand side you see here these are the in product form. These are the two factors in product form, so we combine these two and write in the square form. Okay, so here in this in these factors you see here our a is x and b is 1. Similarly here our a is x and b is 1. So when we apply the below formula, we write our above equation, the right hand side of the above equation as x square equals to, here we write these two factors in the form of a square minus b square, and here our a is x becomes x square and b is 1 becomes minus 1 square. And now here further in the next step you see here this is x square, and when we move this x square into the left hand side it will becomes x square minus x square equals to, this is minus times of 1 square, and 1 square becomes here 1. And now from here you clearly see that this is negative x square and this is positive x square are cancelled out by each other, and here we get 0 is equals to minus 1. And now you see here this is 0 equals to minus 1 is not possible case. So here we just write that it is not possible that 0 is equals to minus 1. Okay, these are not equal. So if these two are not equal, it means that we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement, because the definition of solution set is that the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution of that equation, but here we cannot get any value of x. Okay, so that's why we finally conclude about the solution set of this problem is that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so this question has no solution, and this is the final conclusion about the first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method, and in second method here we need to copy down given question statement. Okay, so that our given question statement is x divided by x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, this is our given question statement, and here in this method we can just quickly get the values of x. So here we move the term from right hand side to the left hand side. Or here you see that the denominator on both of the sides are, in the right hand side the denominator is x, and in the left hand side the denominator is x plus 1. So here we multiplying both of the sides by x into x plus 1 in order to remove this fraction. Okay, so here for this when we multiply both of the sides by this time, it will be written as x times of x plus 1 is multiplied by x divided by x plus 1 is equals to, here we have x times of x plus 1 is multiplied by x minus 1 divided by x. So here further in the next step you see here this x plus 1 is cancelled out by this x plus 1, and we have x multiplied by x is equals to x square, and in the right hand side this x is cancelled out by this x, and we will get here this is x plus 1 times of x minus 1. And further, in the next step, here we need to multiply these two values. So here we fix this value and we multiply it both of these two values. So when we multiply x with this x, you get x square, and when we multiply x with this minus 1, you get minus x, and when we multiply 1 with this x, you get here plus x, and when we multiply 1 with this minus 1, you get here minus 1. And now here in the next step, we move this x square from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as this is x squared, this is negative and positive x are cancelled out by each other, and here we get minus 1, and when we move this x squared to the right hand side, it is also becomes minus x squared, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here, this is the negative and positive term are cancelled out by each other, and here we get minus 1 equals to 0. And here you again see that minus 1 is not equals to 0 in general, or in other words, we say that it is not possible case. It is not possible that then minus 1 is equals to 0. So here we finally conclude about the solutions out of this problem is that we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So that we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. Okay. So here we just write that this question has no solution, and this is our final conclusion about the solution set of this problem. This is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.